What up everybody, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I am going to show you how to find the perfect landing page for your native campaign, for your Clickbank campaign, and I'm going to show you how to modify it to make it even better performing. So a lot to discuss, let's dive in. Alright, so here we are. We are going to look for a couple of good converting landers for your native Clickbank campaign, and I'm going to show you how you can easily modify them to make them even better performing and better converting. So a lot to discuss, so let's dive in. But before we do, I want to tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta for free. All you have to do is sign up using the link below you'll find in the description, and as you've done so you'll get an invitation to join us within the Deberoo Suite, and you'll get free access to all kind of affiliate marketing software. So make sure to make use of it and make sure to sign in today, and we will see you on the inside. So let's take a look. We are going to look for a lander. So first of all, I am going to log into Clickbank. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. It's very easy. So I am just gonna log in, and then we are going to find a lander. We're going to find an offer, obviously, for which we are going to look for a lander. So let's go into the marketplace. The marketplace is where you find all the Clickbank offers. And what are we going to focus on today? Let's see. Betting systems. So that would probably be under sports as well if you want to do something with sports betting. So I am going to sort the results based on gravity. Then we have the vertical jump training, stress-free golf swing, pro check, Vin check pro, best converting golf offer. Okay, maybe we do need to go to betting systems, casino table games. Let's do something with that. Kanzen roulette winning strategy. How to win at roulette, strategic information, tips, helpful advice, and a roulette system you can buy online. Very low gravity. So let's go with a different vertical. Let's go, what shall we do today? I'm a bit indecisive. Games? What do we have? Nah. What else? Self-help. We could go dating. Dating guides. You have anything else? Dating, marriage and relationships. Based on gravity. His secret obsession. Incredible conversions for female cold traffic. Tech chemistry. Use text to make men love you. Highest women's commissions ever. Alright. So let's just look for a landing page in the vertical of dating. So dating is a very hot vertical. It's a very common vertical that's been used on all kinds of traffic sources, including native ads. So let's go into Anstrex. With Anstrex, you can spy on native ads and push ads. So we are going to focus on native. So that's why it says Anstrex native right here at the left bottom. And we are going to search for dating. And let's see what kind of results we get. So we can filter these results even more by, for example, changing the days running. So I want something that has been online for at least 14 days, 2 weeks. And I want something in the English language. All right, so we get a bunch of results. This one seems like it's performing well according to the numbers right here. This one is performing well as well. What else do we have? Do we have some ads that jump out with the numbers? No, not really, apart from those. So where was that other one? This one is 309 473. Doesn't say a whole lot about the lender itself, which we are going to focus on right now, but it does tell us something about the ad and probably about the skills of the advertiser. So you know what, let's just go with this one. Ireland, a senior dating site that actually work. Let's take a look. And we want to see their landing page so that we can get an impression of what it's like. And then we know whether we want to download and modify it or not. Visit page. Site can't be reached. I think I'm going to have that on all of these, so we might have to look for another one. Yeah, I'm done trying. Let's try something else. This looks like the same affiliate. Let's see, what else do we have? You know what, let's just try this one, whatever. I just want to see the landing pages. That's what we're going to focus on today. So let's see what kind of landing pages we have for this ad. So sometimes you'll see multiple landing pages for a single offer, which is good. Gives you some variety to choose from. Alright, this doesn't seem to be working. Let's see if another one is working. Landing pages. It's being slow today. I wonder if it's my internet or something else. Ah, okay, this one is working. So this looks to me like it's direct linking. dating.silversingles.co.uk. Yeah, so this looks like, let's just, you know what, let's just try it out. Okay, yeah, right. So now you have to fill in your details and then they basically just have your email, right? So that's what they want. I am going to look for another landing page to see if we have something else. Landing pages. And it takes some time to load up. We have to be quite patient today. Come on, bro, you can do it. I know that you can do it. Load up. Maybe something else? Landing pages. Or just this landing page is fine with me as well, but visit page. Alright. Weak landing page. Let's try something else. Is this the same? Yeah. It's the same. This is not the same. This is a different affiliate. Whoops. Why does it do that? Whatever. Okay, cool. Visit the landing page. What do we have? Who you really are when it comes to a date. Answer these questions and find your true dating personality. All right, let's go through it. Fun dating quiz. All right. Cool. A lot of questions, damn. Enter your email. Awesome. So I like this flow much better. You go through a quiz. It's a long quiz. And then once the quiz is done, they basically ask you, okay, give us your email and discover your results. Pretty good stuff. Now, what I wonder is if I open this link, store, we actually go to the store. Okay. Okay, all right. Romantic gifts will probably take us to the store as well. Yeah, okay, cool. So it looks to me like this is direct linking as well, but whatever. We are going to rip this landing page. We're gonna rip this landing page. All right, so let's go into landing pages. It's loading up, so we need some more patience. In the meantime, let's sign into the Deberoo suite. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure to check your email for an invitation from the Deberoo suite. And if you haven't signed up for the beta yet, you won't receive an email as well. So if you haven't done that, make sure to sign in for the beta by clicking on this button or following the link below. And once you signed up for the beta, you will get an invitation. And once you have the invitation, you can sign into the Deberoo suite. So I am going to do that. Let me type in my password here. And that is not the right one, so I'm going to try that again. There we go. Awesome. So let's dive straight into the landing page builder. There we go. In the meantime, let's check Anstrex. Looks like it's still not working. Can I download it here? Do you want to download the following page? Yes, I do want to download that page. Your download has already started. You can continue to download right here. So I click on that, and then right at the top we have trueromantic.net. Download date of today, so we know for sure that that's the one, and it's currently downloading onto these files, and then from here I can zip it and download it onto my computer. And as soon as we've done that, we can upload it to the landing page builder inside Deberoo suite. So if you haven't seen this yet, this is the inside of the landing page builder inside Deberoo suite. And for those of you who know Landerize, it looks quite similar. It's the same kind of engine behind it, but we gave it a full makeover, and we are currently working very hard to make sure that everything is working as good as we want it to work. So there were still some things that needed some modifying to improve the landing page builder, which is what we're working on right now. So I'm going to click on Upload Zip, and I'll give my landing page a name. So True Romance or whatever it was. All right, and I'm going to browse my files for the trueromantic.net folder, and I'm going to open that, and I'm going to save that, and then we have our landing page in a second, any second now. All right, we have a full blank page. Let's try that again, shall we? Or can I edit it from my landing pages? Let's see. Edit. See if this works. Nope. So this could have something to do with the actual file. So let's take a quick look and see what is wrong with it. Are there any folders in here? No folders, so that's a good thing. But then I wonder why it doesn't work. Let's try it one more time. Okay. Save that. And we'll try again. Let's see if it works. It does not work, which could have something to do with this specific landing page, or it could have something to do with the file type. But basically that's how easy it is to get your landing page uploaded inside your landing page builder. And then as soon as that is done, I will give you an example with this landing page, because basically from there it is very easy to make your changes. Look, I even already made changes, and that's right, there's a free webinar coming up, so I will post that link in the description as well if you're willing to join the free webinar with Colin Dice. But it's very easy. You just click on the image and select a new image. And if you want that one, boom, you've got that one. If you want to edit some text, you just double click on it and make the changes. Easy as that. It couldn't be easier. So you can do this with your downloaded landing page as well. Simply spy on Anstrex or on Visto or whatever kind of spy tool you use. Download the page that you want to use. Upload it with the upload zip button inside the landing page builder of the Deberoo suite. And easy as that, you can modify everything you want. You can put a redirect script in it. Anything you want to do, you can do it inside the landing page builder. So that's going to be it for this one. Don't forget to sign up for the beta, the Deberoo Suite beta. So the link is down below. You can sign up. It's very easy. It's completely free, and you'll get access to all kinds of awesome affiliate marketing software tools. And also the webinar is coming up together with Visto and Colin Dice, and they will teach you all kinds of valuable information about affiliate marketing. So make sure to join that as well. Check it out, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.